So before we get started, I just thought I would show you what these stitches look like. So they're very small, they're the smallest stitch apart from a slip stitch. And you can see I've started a new row of double crochets along here. So each of these V's that you can see with the loops on the top is a stitch, a double crochet stitch. Okay, so let's get started. This is a very easy stitch, so hopefully you should be getting them in no time at all. So first thing you'll need to do is find the opening of the next stitch, which is here for me, and pop your hook through. And then you should have your hook under two pieces of yarn just like so. Then you'll need to yarn over and pull through. You should have two loops on your hook. You'll yarn over again and pull through both of these loops. And you should be left with something that looks like a V. Two loops of yarn on the top forming another V like so. So let me show you that again. So pop your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. You should have two loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through, and that is your stitch completed. Let's do it again together. So hook through the next available stitch, yarn over and pull through. You should have two loops on your hook, then you yarn over and pull through once again. And let me just finish off the rest of the row so you can see exactly how this is done. Okay, and now we're at the last stitch. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both the loops. And that is your first line of stitches completed. So if you're wondering how to start a new line in a square, I'll just show you that now. So the first thing you'll need to do is chain one, so that's yarn over your hook and just pull through the loop that should be on your hook already. Then you need to turn the piece of work. You'll then skip this extra hook that you just made and then go into the next stitch here. Yarn over and pull through. You should have two loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through. Then into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. And let's just go to the very end of the round. And there we have it. Found this useful, but if you do have any questions still, please comment below, and do tune in next time to see how to do a treble crochet. Look forward to seeing you there, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.